Hi guys and happy new year. Sorry about my voice, it's a little bit rough. I was a little bit sick, but it's getting better, luckily. I had a great time with my friends when the year was changing. Lots of eating, dancing, singing and a little bit of drinking. Now, it's time to make the first project of the year, and this tip came from one of my subscribers. He said that I should try to make some kind of spoon fork set for a salad, and that's a very good idea. Never done that before. I have here two nice pieces of oak, which is quite hard material. These are not so thick pieces, maybe it would be better if these are more thick. I just can't make any crazy shapes. But for the salad, I think those doesn't have to be very curvy. I would like to have the same shape also to this other one. Only difference is of course that the other is spoon and other is fork. Okay. Now I have to cut this shape with my bandsaw and let's see how it's going to be. The side shape is now done, and next I have to think about this shape here. I would like to have it pretty big. Might be that this part is a little bit too thick. I'm going to use double-sided tape to put these together so I can get a better base for the bandsaw. Something like that. No, I think it's better to cut with this bandsaw. Okay, next I will cut this fork part. Let's see how it goes. It might be a little bit tricky, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? So it looks like a fork, then it's enough. next spoon part, I want to carve here a slot. Of course, this kind of a round one. I really don't have any electric tools for that, so I'm just going to use these kind of chisels. I think these are made in China, maybe these are not even very sharp. Yeah, it doesn't work. It won't work with this. I'm going to try with Dremel and some kind of round bit. Looks dangerous. Let's see. How can I say? It's not the fastest machine to do that. I should maybe have a bigger bit, but I kind of like this surface here. I will do it a little bit more deeper, then I will sand it a little bit, but I will leave it a little bit like a wave type of thing. I kind of like it. I know maybe I shouldn't do that, but I will do it anyway. And for the finish, I'm using my favorite cutting board wax. I don't have that much left anymore actually. And yeah, like I said many times, I like to use this because it's smelling good. Of course the smell is going away, but at least it's nice to work with. And it's food safe, of course.